Hello students, this is lesson 2 rational numbers. Okay, already we discussed in part 1, okay, about rational numbers. Okay, now in part 2 we have rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, all of you know what are rational numbers. So once again, the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So these are called what? Rational numbers, children. So now rational numbers means all I have explained in the earlier class, all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers, okay, all fractional numbers, all these together, when we put together, these are all called what? Rational numbers. Okay, children. Now how to find out rational numbers on the number line, children? Okay, now without number line also we can find out, and we know now what are rational numbers, is it not? So easily I think you all are trying to understand. Okay, so now please listen carefully. Okay, write any three rational numbers between -2 and 0. So -2 and 0 we can see on the number line. Yes or no, children? So here we can see many methods we have, or else you can draw a number line and you can say that that is what are the number lines. Okay, many numbers we can create, many rational numbers we can create on the number line, children. Now between -2 and 0, how to find out? And how many rational numbers we need? We need three rational numbers. Okay, children. So for that, let us take three rational numbers. Means I will add 1 to that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what we get? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now -2 multiplied by 4 by 4, how much you get? -8 by 4, children. Yes or no, children? Now 0 into 0. Next is 0, no? This 0. So 0 into 4 by 4 is what? 0 by 4. Now between what we got here, -4 by 8 by 4 and 0 by 4. Between -8 by 4 and 0 by 4 are what are the numbers? What are the numbers we can find between? Just think, children, on the number line. What are the numbers? Minus after -8, what you get here? -7. Yes or no? -7 by 4, -6 by 4, -5 by 4, -4 by 4. Okay, then comes 0. Yes or no, children? Then comes what? 0. So that 0 we don't want. Is it not? Between -8 by 4 and 0 by 4, no? So how many the rational numbers we got? -4 by 4, 7 by 4, -6 by 4, -5 by 4, -4 by 4. So like this, there are how many what is it, rational numbers we need? We need three rational numbers. Yes or no? So we can choose in this three rational numbers. So any three rational numbers, even -4 by 4 also you can choose. That is nothing but -1. Is it not? So minus also between -2 and 0, children. Yes or no, children? Now -7 by 4, -6 by 4, -5 by 4 are the three rational numbers. Now next example, find any 10 rational numbers between -5 by 6 and 5 by 8, children. Now how many rational numbers we need? We need 10 rational numbers. How many rational numbers, children? 10 rational. Just observe here, children. -5 by 6, any number, that is any number you take and then multiply numerator and denominator. The same thing you have to do for another fraction, that is 5 by 8 also. 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 3, that is equal to 24. That means equal denominators we must need. So for that, see, I have taken here 4 by 4. Okay, 4 by 4. 6 4s are 24. 5 4s are 20. -20 divided by 24. 5 by 8 into 3 by 3. 5 3s are 15. 8 3s are 24. Did you understand, children? Here why I have taken 3 here? We need equal denominators. See here 24 and here also 24. We must need numerators. Let it be whatever. Okay, so but denominator should be equal. That is, we have to find out equivalent fractions. Okay, now we have to we have to write between -20 by 24 and 15 by 24. Okay, so now -19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24, minus 14 by 24, minus 13 by 24, minus 12 by 24, minus 11 by 24, minus 10 by 24. So these are the 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8, children. This is how we have to find out rational numbers. Okay, children. Now let us see next example. Okay, in the next example, rational numbers, in the next example, 3. Okay, example 3, that write 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 4, 1 by 2, LCM of 4 and 2, the denominators 4 and 2. 4 and 2 are the denominators. For LCM of 4 and 2 is what, children? 4. Is it not? 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4 divided by 16. 4 fours are 16. 1 fours are 4 divided by 2 fours are 8 we got. So between 4 by 16 and 4 by 8. Is this correct, children? 4 fours are 16 we must need. Now 2, 8 we have to take here. 8 by 8. 8 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16. Yes or no, children? 8 ones are 8, children. Now see, children, 2 8s are 16, 1 8s are 8. 4 by 16 and 8 by 16, children. 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. Now 4 by 16 and 8 by 16 is 4, 5, 6 like that. See here, actually this is actually wrong. 4 by 16, okay, and then 5 by 16 and 6 by 16, okay, 7 by 16, then 8 by 16. In this we can choose how many we need. We have got here 5 rational numbers. We can choose like 4 by 16, then 5 by 16. Any numbers you can write, children. 7 by 16, like that. Okay, any numbers. We need only 3 rational numbers. We have to write down. So this we can choose this and then write, children. Okay, children, understood? The next is exercise based on these examples. We have exercise that is 2.2, children. Okay, in this represent these numbers on the number line. Okay, children. Now first problem is 7 by 4 and second problem is minus 5 by 6. Now first is here we have to represent the numbers, these numbers 7 by 4. How to locate or how to represent 7 by 4 on the number line, children? 7 by 4, that is 7 by 4. So approximately how much you get? 4 ones, that is 1 point above 1. Is it not, children? That means it is between 0 and 2. Is it not? It is above 1 means above 1. Where you get above 1 means 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4. That is between 1 and 2 we have to see, check. 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. So it is the number we located here, 7 by 4 on the number line. This is how we have to locate on the number line, children. Now next problem is minus 5 by 6. How to locate minus 5 by 6 on the number line? So here minus 5 by 6, this is negative integers. Is it not? It is a negative integer. 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. Yes or no, children? So now here we can locate, that is between minus 1, okay, between minus 1 and 0 we can locate minus 5 by 6. This is how we have to represent on the number line, children. Now next is represent, okay, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Okay, children, so this is the number line, you all know. Then minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11, all these are less than minus 1. Yes or no, children? Less than minus 1. Okay, minus 1, and that means these numbers can be located between minus 1 and 0, children. So here 0, minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, minus 11 by 11. Okay, children, this is minus 1, this is 2. So here you can see the numbers we have located, that is minus 2 by 11, okay, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11, children. Now next homework I have given. Please locate this one. Okay, represent this only for this, that is represent this now. So like that, please locate, please represent these numbers: minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 5 by 10. This is what is this? Homework for second main. Okay children, homework for second main this is. Okay, so this is what you have to do in a homework notebook. Next, third main, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2, which are smaller than 2, that is smaller than 2. See here, this is a number line smaller than 2. You write the numbers 2, between 1 and 2, between minus 1 and 2, is it not children? Between 0 and 2. Okay, not more than 2. Okay, it is smaller than, lesser than 2. Yes or no? See here, smaller than 2 means here 8 by 2, 4, any number you can take children, denominators. 8 by 2 is nothing but 2, no children. 7 by 4, 6 by 4, 5 by 4, 4 by 4 is 1, then 0, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Okay, like this. So many numbers we can locate here. See, you can choose any numbers which is smaller than 2 children. That is 7 by 4, 6 by 4, 5 by 4, 4 by 4 also you can write, 0 you can write, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, like this. So, okay children. See, they have asked us to write 5 rational numbers. So, these are the 5 rational numbers. Okay children. Next is fourth problem. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 children. So, here let us take LCM. What is the LCM? 5 and 10 is 10. 5 and 2 is 10. Yes or no children? Now minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 2 is minus 4 by 10. So here 5 by 5, 20, minus 20 by 50 you get. Similarly you will get here 25 by 50. Okay, but here just see here children. Okay, observe here. Here we are getting between minus 20 by 50 and 25 by 50. Okay children, see why I have taken here further 5 by 10. 5 by 5 means 10 by, at once we can take 10 by 10 also, we can write here. Okay children, but here when I took this one, very less what is that rational numbers we got here. Okay, between minus 4 by 10, minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, 5 by 10. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only we got children. So therefore what I did again, I multiplied by 5 by 5 and 5 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 10, 5 by 5, then 25 by 50, minus 20 by 50 we got. So now further see here, minus 20 means what? Next number, that is next number, minus 19 by 50, minus 18 by 50, minus 17 by 50, minus 16 by 50, minus 15 by 50. So like this many rational numbers we get here children. So therefore these are the rational numbers. Okay, so you can write 10 rational numbers we need. So what we got when we took when we made denominators at 10, we got only 8 rational numbers. When we made denominators as 50, we got many rational numbers. That is, we need 10 rational numbers. So we can choose 10 rational numbers out of this. Okay children, so this both are the answers, and the final answer is this is the final answer children. Okay children. Okay, then next comes here, find rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So here also what we have to do is here, so we have to find out what 5 rational numbers children. So here, that is why we have to take more number, that is the bigger number. If you choose as a numerator and denominator, then you will get more rational numbers children. So therefore say here 2 by 3 multiplied by 20 by 20. So lesser also we can take equivalent fractions, but we are getting less rational numbers. So here we take what is it, numerator and denominator bigger numbers, then you will get many rational numbers children. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 20 by 20 is equal to 2, 20 is a 40 divided by 60. Then 4 by 5 multiplied by 12 by 12 is equals to what we get here, 4 12s are 24, 48 divided by 4, 5 12s are 60 children. So now therefore we can write between 40 and 60 and 48 by 60. We are getting how many? Many we are getting 41 by 60, 42 by 60 after 40. Okay children, after 40 and before 48. It is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay children, so we got here 3, 6, 7. Okay, 7 rational numbers we have. So we can choose only how many rational numbers we need. We need 5 rational numbers we can choose and write. Okay, therefore what is the answer children? Answer is 41 by 60. You can write middle numbers also children, no problem. Okay, and then 43 by 60, 44 by 60, okay, 45 by 60, then 47 by 60. These are the rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay children, next minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. This is what the question, next question. That is, see here we have to make it as equivalent fractions, and here also we need how many fractions, how many rational numbers we need? We need 5 rational numbers. So minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 6 by 6 is equal to minus 3, 6 much, minus 18 divided by 12. Then 5 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20 divided by 3 4s are 12 children. Okay, now minus 18 by 12, 20 by 12, minus 18 by 12, next number is minus 17 by 12, minus 16 by 12, minus 15 by 12, minus 14 by 12. Then what comes children? Next. So like this many numbers we can write. Okay, we can write on the number line. Even you can take a minus, so that is a plus 18, 19 by 12. Okay children, minus 19 by 12 also you can write. Okay, this is the answer for second problem. The next is what? The homework. Okay, homework I have given, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is what is this I told? Okay, find 5 rational numbers. Okay children, find 5 rational numbers for 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 children. Okay children, then next this homework problems you all know where you have to write in a homework notebook. Okay children, and you can submit personally to me. Okay, and then sixth main is write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2 means which are the numbers greater than minus 2? Okay, so you all know minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, so all these numbers are greater than minus 2. Okay children, now we need minus 1, 0. Yes or no? What are the greater numbers above minus 2 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Only 5 rational numbers they have asked. So this is what the answer children. Now next is seventh. Okay, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now 3 by 5 multiplied by, I have taken here 20 children. So why I have taken bigger number means bigger numerator and denominator, since we need 10 rational numbers children. So therefore I have chosen here 20 by 20. So 3 20s are how much? 60, 500, 5 20s are 100. 3 by 4 into 25 by 25. Why I have taken 25 by 20? Because the numerator, that is the denominators, we must get 100. So here above 60 by 100, that is above 60 is what? 61. Yes or no children? And below 75 we have to write 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, okay, 70. Okay, even we can write 71, 72, 73, 74. Till there we can write, but we need how many rational numbers? 10 only. I think we got 10. Okay, so that 10 I have written here. So this is what the second chapter. Okay, so this is what the second chapter. Please write down whatever notes I am giving now, part 2, and then homework you have to solve in homework notebook children. So please complete your means classwork and homework and then submit me personally. Please don't that means those who have not sent, okay, those who have not sent homework and classwork, those who have not submitted, please submit personally to me. Okay children, then after this, no, please revise this chapter. If you find any doubt, let me know, and then after this revising I will conduct test. Okay children, before that I need your homework notes. Only few of them are submitting. Please submit, all of you. All of you submit, very important. You'll be having marks for this also. Your classwork note, that means neat handwriting, and then classwork, no, it should be very neat and it should be maintained properly. Okay, and then classwork and homework, please submit personally. Only few of them are submitting. Submit, and then after this I will conduct the test. Okay, it will be 20 marks paper children. Okay children, now after this means day after tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow, that is on Wednesday, you will be having test on this chapter. Before that, if you find any doubt, please clarify with me. Okay children, thank you.